Every day there's, a handful of kids that get their device. So we provide them to the students from the tech office, but that means first thing in the morning, there's, a line of kids running to the tech office.
There's definitely a time delay in our old checkout process. We had a lot of devices we didn't know were broken or didn't know even where they were.
I couldn't concentrate on any of my networking work.
Last year, before I bought the locker, I was spending a couple hours a day looking for devices.
If they needed repairs, they had to find me in my office for me to see what's wrong, fill out a paper. Everything was done manually.
It has saved me a lot of time in the mornings.
So now we know for sure, all right, we gave you 5 devices. We know exactly where those 5 devices are.
It's made a major difference. I would say it's saving hundreds of man hours per week across the district.
Bought one my first year, 2 the next year, and I just recently purchased my last 2, I think like 3 months ago.
It can actually save you an additional person at times.
I would definitely recommend it for a small tech department where you just have one person running it. It has helped out so much.
For the skeptics out there, I challenge you to test it out, put it in place with your staff or student loan processors and see what the feedback is.